4. That's a UTME question. I say, calculate the volume of oxygen measured at STP produced when 24.5 grams of potassium triisochlorophyll is totally decomposed by what? By heat. So the first thing is to write your balanced chemical equation. So we have the composition of K. Now, I told you in stoichiometry, we have to first of all identify what parameters are we working with. We have to calculate oxygen, all right? So we are looking for the oxygen and giving the value of what? So potassium triisochlorophyll. And the next question you ask yourself in this relationship is, in this oxygen gas, I have mole, I have mass, I have volume, and I have Avogadros. Which one in particular is the question referring to? So let's look at it. We are referring to volume. For this one, which question is it referring to? Are referring to mass. So it makes this question a mass volume type of relationship. So let's quickly calculate what the mass look like. So we have two molecules here. So potassium is 39 plus chlorine is 35.5 plus oxygen is 16 multiplied by 3. So when you have that, you're going to have 39 plus 35.5 plus 48. When you have 2 multiplied by 1, so you're going to have 39 plus 35.5 plus 48. You have 125. 122.5 multiplied by 2, you have 245 grams. That is the mass of KClO3. This mass now produce how many volume? So let's check the volume of the oxygen we have here. Let's check the volume of oxygen. Remember this formula that say, N is equal to V over 22.4. So let's do that formula. Let's find our V. So you're going to have 3 multiplied by what? 22.4 dmq. So if you do that by cross multiplying, you're going to have 3 multiplied by 22.4, 67.2. 67.2 dmq. Now, from this, we can realize, we can see vividly now that 2245 grams of KClO3 produces 67.2 dmq of oxygen. Now, the question is, what will 24.5 grams now produce? To produce X, then what do? You cross multiply. When you do that, you have 24.5 multiplied by 67.2 divided by 245. The answer will give you 6.72 dmq of what? Of oxygen gas. So let's quickly check what the answer. So the answer is also A. Can you see? Did you get that before me? Quickly look at